This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up are excellent. Today I'm giving you an overview of Aukey's different cables that they offer. This is a really nice set of braided cabling here, USB-C to USB-C. This is probably one of the most common cables that you'll need, other than the USB type A to micro USB. So this is the new standard of cable here. The braiding helps it to not come apart, and then they have this nice piece here that keeps it all together. So we like that a lot. And then this is the USB-C to Lightning cable. This is made for your iPhone, iPad, and iPod. This will fast charge the newest iPhones, like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So as you can see here, it has the USB Type-C and the Lightning. So it's interchangeable on both sides. So you don't have to worry about how you're plugging it into either device. It will just work. And then over here, the Lightning cable, USB Type A to Lightning, also from Aukey, and this is also braided. All three of these cables are braided to give it extra security and extra durability. So this is the USB Type A here and the Lightning. Again, you can plug it in any which way here, but of course, it only plugs in one way with this. That's why this one is so popular now. And you can use this with the new Aukey chargers with GaN fast technology, and that will be reviewed shortly. But these cables have been reviewed, and that link will be in the description shortly. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.